My name is Kathleen Powell. I live here at our house with my husband and our 4 children. We've been here for about 9 years. About 2 years ago was when the fires happened in our area. It was just such a surreal moment to open your front door and see the trees across the street on fire and know that you had to get your family out of the house, and knowing that when you left you might never come back to that home again. And I said, well, I will enter it as a contest. I wrote from my heart about our experience and our situation, and I got a call saying that I had won. When I stopped and thought about it, I thought about the reality of what this meant for us and how we're going to make such a big difference to our property with this tractor. The fire will always remain for us a huge moment in our lives. You have 2 choices. You sit and you're mad about it, or you pivot and you change how you do things. So that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna change how we see the property, and we've already started working on some of that, removing trees and just cleaning up debris and things that were left. A big thing is making this side of our driveway or our entryway look pretty. That's the amazing thing about this experience and getting the tractor, is now we get to really go all in.